and peaceful. This is loud and not peaceful at all.
Oh, we're getting into the lead.
Yes, we're almost in the lead. Come on, you guys. Full steam ahead. Come on, everyone put your back into it.
No, they're beating us. Yes?
Everybody paddle on this side. Me and I'll paddle on this side. Wait, no. Paddle on this side. I'll paddle on this side.
Okay, everybody paddle on this side.
And go hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Paddle hard.
Like this. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, guys.
Sitting down.
Yeah, I'm so glad that I have a seat.
No.
Come on, we have a clear shot. Don't turn us.
Roll faster.
Everyone, back into it as fast as we can. Hey, you caught me. Whoa. The whole boat is shaking. We have to get to Turtle Bay and back. Oh, we have to get to Turtle Bay and back before the sunrise is almost up. Oh, you're right, man. It's the hole. Holy, that is warm. Oh, man. Okay. You guys, touch the water. It's so warm.
The water nice.
It's really nice.
Oh my god. Just dip your hand in. It's like almost like a hot tub. Wow.
Who wants to go swim? Hey, who wants to go? Who wants to go swimming today? Whoa! Brakes! Brakes! We're gonna hit someone.
You have a noisy Now can I get in the front?
No, in Thailand. You know, in Thailand, that's what some people. Well, in China, that's what some people do.
Stop.
That's some people's. Brakes! Brakes!
Stop. Can we go? No, not yet.
There's waves coming from over there, from over there, from over there, and from over there. So it's. I want to go in front of us! from Spain. You look like you come from Spain from far away.
Yes, it's funny. Should I back up?
Yep.
I think we need to back up a little.
I can't see.
Holy
Oh,
cow.
why?
Quit rowing your boat. You got the boat. Stop rowing.
Stop hitting us!
Yeah, he said not to roll.
Okay, let's go a little bit farther. They're ahead.
No, we don't go.
A little bit further, like right there, because that's where they... Where's the bale anyways? Oh, now I see it. It is really comfortable, but hard. Move!
Is it hard to paddle for? Can we start rowing? Nope. Why are they rowing? Okay, this is New York City traffic.
New York City traffic canoes.
This is Okanagan Lake traffic. Here I am with my friend Josiah, and Jeff. And we are here with a bigger boat to overcome our traffic. Get over the lake.
Get out of the road! There is no road.
Get over the lake.
Get out of the canoe!
Oh, that is so cool. We can't do that in our house because there's no mountains. And then it just like runs along the mountain. Yeah, like look it.
Aw, at the bottom of the mountain it's still dark for them. Hey, we're under the bottom of the mountain. Has it got Green Bay yet? Oh.
Back there. Yeah, no.
No, it's still hot tub.
And put a starting thing on it. Is that a bus? I got a bus. On my other can. Yeah.
Must go to the light. Come on, guys, let's catch up with the canoers. Go towards the light. Go towards the light. Good. Go, row. Row. Row.
We're just getting
Row.
seat, no worries.
Row.
We're not attacking you
Row.
by any chance.
Attack!
Every word attack. Everybody's here.
I know. Row. Oh.
No, watch out.
Okay, row.
No, stop. Just a little more. Okay, now we got one row seat for the gun.
Okay, but we're gonna hit it.
Now stop banging.
Okay.
Whoa.
Everyone stop banging. We need to be very quiet and peaceful, like movies are. Especially Avengers movies with lots of blood. Especially movies with lots of blood. Those are nice and peaceful.
Stop rowing.
Okay, I thought you guys started wrong because we started going forward. Antarctica. Woo! Yep, now some of the houses are awake.
Hey, your toes, please.
Pictures are $1 each.
He has
Videos are $5 each.
Grow a little more. We need to get to the front row.
I thought I could trust you.
There, that's good, Now we can. There.
Look, I just put my paddle in and it stopped.
Come on. We really all knew it was coming. Unless the world ended. Did you know without bees, if there's no more bees on the earth in about 2 years, we will die? Because they make the plantation and like if they didn't pollinate, then no fruits would be good, no males, and even the meat. Let the butterflies go. No, the butterflies don't do that. Isn't it for the best no. But where the live making your honey, and without bees, we'd probably be nowhere in life because they make the food for our reproducts. They pollinate like the food for our like
Hamburgers.
and all that.
Hamburgers. And French fries. And soda. And
Okay, keep
brains. Actually, we would still have meat because scientists are making meat from cow, from dying
This is
cows.
Breaking Copycat News. You're on Nathan's Vlog, and here I am with Ty and Scott. How are you doing, boys? I have a long ride. What about you, Ty? Okay.
Half an hour.
I had a 10-hour drive from Whaley in BC. So, I had a 1-hour drive.
Yay, the sun is rising. Now let's go home. No.
1-hour drive from Quebec.
Oh, I had a half an hour drive from Antarctica.
Oh, it's risen.
Risen, it's risen.
Only if you had a convertible car, like an all-terrain car, that'd be sweet. It's just like you go from Antarctica to Canada. To your left, there's a shark. The whale. Reverse.
Yeah, you'd be waiting. You'd be wait.
Water bar.
Hey, you'd be waiting for a month for the sun to come up. Like, why are we still out in the water? It's taking such a long time. Finally, the sun starts to come up. Yes, fail.
This is just
No.
Okay.
Why I'm so cold? Earth, keep spinning. Keep spinning. When it's in the middle of the day, stop spinning. It will be day forever.
You did? What do you know? We have a half an hour drive. Even less than that. We live right across the bridge. So you know that I have
Come on. Come. Say, Papa.
putting water in the boat.
No, you're putting water. You're putting water in the boat. Look, this makes it go this way. I'm trying to make it go this way. Just towards the sun. We have to go towards... Oh, turn.
Turn. We need to turn this way. Falling behind.
Don't lean that way.